After welding, we clean all the welding points with an industrial-grade vacuum cleaner in the welding cleaning and inspection stage. Our next process is collector board welding. We replace traditional weld harnesses with PCBA, using laser welding to connect the PCBA with the battery cell module. This area is inspected every 2 hours to ensure quality. We then move to collector board testing. Here we test the voltage of each string in the module, ensuring a voltage difference of less than 10 millivoltage. The mesh binds the collector board with the battery cell module for future traceability.